Every time you bring your car to the shop, someone's making money off what you don't know. But there are 11 simple tricks mechanics rarely talk about, because if everyone knew them, they'd lose thousands each year. Today, I'll expose the tricks that can save you up to $3,000 annually, just by doing things your mechanic won't mention. Number 1. Tire maintenance. Let's start with something every car owner knows about, but often neglects: proper tire inflation. Did you know that underinflated tires can reduce your gas mileage by as much as 3%? This might seem small, but over time, those savings add up. Low tire pressure also causes uneven tire wear, leading to premature tire replacement. By checking your tire pressure regularly and keeping it at the manufacturer's recommended level, you'll not only save on fuel, but also extend the life of your tires, saving you from spending hundreds on replacements sooner than necessary. Remember, tire pressure drops in colder weather, so make sure you check it more often in the winter months. It's a small, quick task that can prevent bigger, more expensive problems down the road. Up next, we're talking about brake pads, one of the most common car repairs. But what if you could avoid them altogether? Stay tuned. Number 2. Replace brake pads. Let's talk about brake pads. They're essential for your car's safety, but did you know replacing them early can actually save you big in the long run? When brake pads wear down too much, they start to damage the rotors, leading to expensive repairs or even full rotor replacements. A rotor replacement can cost hundreds of dollars per axle. If you replace your brake pads early, before they become too worn down, you'll avoid rotor damage and save yourself that hefty bill. The cost of replacing brake pads is much lower than replacing rotors, so catch them early and save yourself a lot of cash. Now, let's move on to filters. Air and cabin filters. They're often overlooked, but replacing them regularly can save you more than you might think. Don't just nod and pay. Number 3. Replace air and cabin filters. Air and cabin filters are easy to forget about, but they're critical for your car's efficiency. Clogged air filters can cause your engine to work harder, leading to poor fuel efficiency and reduced engine performance. And a dirty cabin filter can cause your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system to work harder, leading to poor air quality and reduced cooling efficiency. Replacing these filters is super easy and cheap. It typically costs under $50 for both the engine air filter and the cabin filter. Regularly changing them keeps your engine running efficiently and your cabin comfortable, all while saving you money at the pump and avoiding bigger repairs. By changing your filters every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, you'll maintain your car's fuel economy and HVAC system, saving you from having to replace more expensive components. Number 4. Regular oil changes. Next up is a secret that can save you more money than you might think. Oil changes. Changing your engine oil regularly is one of the most cost-effective ways to prolong your car's life and avoid costly repairs. It's not just about keeping the engine lubricated, it also removes contaminants, prevents overheating, and keeps the engine running smoothly. If you skip oil changes, it can lead to engine sludge buildup, overheating, and even engine failure. And trust me, repairing or replacing an engine can cost you thousands of dollars. By changing your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, you'll save money on major repairs and extend your car's life. Now that we've covered oil, let's talk about coolant and how a simple trick can save you hundreds on costly cooling system repairs. Number 5. Keep an eye on coolant. Here's a secret that could save you from expensive engine damage. Keep your car's coolant in top shape. Coolant is essential for keeping your engine from overheating, but many people forget about it. When coolant levels drop, it can cause your engine to overheat, leading to serious damage such as a blown head gasket or cracked engine block, both of which are extremely expensive repairs. By regularly checking your coolant and topping it off when needed, you can prevent overheating and keep your engine running smoothly. Replace coolant every 2 to 3 years or according to your car's manual to avoid problems down the road. Keeping your cooling system in good condition can save you thousands in repairs and keep your engine running at the right temperature. Now let's talk about wiper blades. It's a small item that can save you big. Number 6. Change wiper blades regularly. Wiper blades are often overlooked, but here's why you should replace them regularly. Old or worn out blades can scratch your windshield and leave streaks that damage the glass. Worse, if your blades fail to clear water or debris properly, you could be left with impaired visibility during rain or snow. Replacing your wiper blades is a quick, inexpensive fix, typically costing under $30 for a set. It's a small investment that can protect your windshield and ensure safety while driving. Don't wait until they start screeching or leaving streaks. Replace them every 6 to 12 months. By keeping your wiper blades in good condition, You'll avoid windshield repairs and ensure a safer driving experience, especially during inclement weather. Here's another tip that could save you a ton of money. 7. Maintain your HVAC system. Your car's heating and air conditioning system is essential for comfort, but clogged or dirty filters can make it work harder and cause it to fail sooner than it should. Regular maintenance, like changing the cabin filter and ensuring the system is clean, can save you big money in the long run. Neglecting the HVAC system can lead to expensive repairs such as a failed compressor, leaks, or the need for a full system replacement. These repairs can cost hundreds or even thousands. By maintaining the system with regular filter changes and getting it checked before summer or winter, you'll keep your car comfortable without breaking the bank. Up next is a repair you can easily avoid. You can save thousands by avoiding premature suspension repairs. Number 8. Check suspension components. Suspension components like shocks and struts play a huge role in your car's handling and ride quality. When they start to wear down, you'll notice poor handling, bouncy rides, and increased wear on your tires. Ignoring suspension issues can lead to misalignment, premature tire wear, and expensive repairs. Checking your suspension every 6 months or when you notice problems, like a bouncy ride or strange noises, can save you from having to replace expensive parts. Replacing shocks and struts early is much cheaper than dealing with wheel misalignment or a full suspension overhaul. By maintaining your suspension, you'll save on tire replacements, alignment issues, and improve your car's overall driving performance. Let's move on to exhaust system maintenance. Keep watching. Number 9. Maintain your exhaust system. Your exhaust system does more than just remove harmful gases from your engine. It also helps with fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Exhaust leaks can cause your car to run inefficiently, leading to poor fuel economy and the need for expensive repairs. Leaks also increase exhaust emissions, potentially causing your car to fail emissions testing. Check your exhaust system regularly for signs of leaks or damage, especially if you hear unusual noises from under the car or notice a decrease in power. Early repairs will prevent expensive issues down the road. Now let's talk about keeping your car clean. A clean car can actually help you avoid expensive repairs. Find out how it works next. Number 10. Keep your car clean. Keeping your car clean does more than just improve its appearance, it can actually save you money. Wondering how? Regular washing and waxing prevents salt and dirt buildup, which can lead to rust formation. Rust damage is costly to repair and can significantly reduce the lifespan of your vehicle. Also, regularly cleaning the underside of your car can prevent the accumulation of road salts and grime, which can lead to rust on vital components like your brakes, suspension, and exhaust system. Keep your car clean to avoid these hidden issues. Finally, here's a secret that many car owners ignore until it's too late. Stay tuned to learn how this can prevent costly damage. Number 11. Regularly check fluids. Finally, fluid levels are critical to keeping your car running smoothly. Engine oil, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and coolant are essential for your car's performance. Low or dirty fluids can lead to engine failure, transmission issues, and overheating, all of which are expensive repairs. Checking your fluids regularly, every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, will ensure your car runs efficiently. Top off low fluids immediately and change them as recommended. Regular fluid maintenance will save you thousands on unnecessary repairs. Better to spend $50 on prevention than $5,000 on regret. Taking care of these small tasks regularly will save you big in the long run. And if you want to know 12 costly oil change mistakes that destroy your engine fast, click here now. Like this video if you learned even one thing today. Drop your favorite car hack in the comments. Subscribe for more car advice that saves you time, money, and stress. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.